Alrighty, so if you start with 34.56 grams of Ag2O, how many moles of Ag will be produced? Okay, so start again with my acronym as always. Guns. What are my givens? Here's my given. Even write it. Given. Actually, I'm not going to, but then I'm going to put a 1 under it, find the rest of my numbers, and then solve. So just to get that out of the way, I'm going to write it down, and then I'm going to start thinking. 34.56 grams, and I'm going to put it over 1 grams of what? Ag2. Now let's look at my mole map. What do I have and where am I going? So I'm starting with grams, which is the unit of mass. So I'm starting here, and I'm ending with moles of a different substance, right? So I'm starting with moles of this substance of X, and I'm trying to get to moles, starting with grams of this substance of X, trying to get to moles of this substance of Y. So that means I will be ending in moles. Here's where I see the word moles over here. So that's where I'm going to be ending. So this is the path I'm taking. Great. So it tells me exactly what to write, although there are a couple extra steps with these ones. For example, here it tells me write 1 mole, done, of Ag2O, and something grams of it. Grams of Ag2. So what do I put into this box? Well, this is where I've got to do a little bit of math. So I've got to go find my periodic table. I think it's the same one you have access to, and I have Ag, and I have 2 of them. So here's Ag 107.87. I have 2 of them, and then O, which is 15.99. I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to put 16. Okay. So yeah, it's going to be kind of my cheat move there. Alright, so now I have to do some math. I have 8. I'll make this my little work zone. 1.079. 7.87 times 2 for the 2 of them equals, I don't know, equals this. That is wrong. That is astronomical. That looks more appropriate. 215.74 plus my O, which I have calculated to be 16. Not 13. I'm making a mess of this. 16. 231.71. Alright. 74. Great. So now I just got to this step right here. My units are going to cancel. Next step, mole to mole equation. So mole of what I got on the bottom, mole of Ag2O, mole of what I'm looking for on the top, which is Ag. Use my balance formula. So how do I get these numbers? I have a 4 here. It just tells me from balance formula. So I put my 4 there, and then what do I have for Ag2? I'm going to put a 2 there. Now, should be almost ready for my final answer. That is going to equal, so I've got to do 34.15 times 1 times 4. I'm going to get a number written down. So 34.56 times 1 times 4. 138.24. On the top. On the bottom, I am going to have 231 times 231.74, 231.74 times 2. That's going to equal 463.48. Conveniently, I kind of forgot what my unit was, but then I go back and I say, oh yeah, the only thing left is moles of Ag. So 138.24. 138 divided by 463.48 gives me my answer of 0.30 of Ag.